Some things I never thought I needed. Some things I never thought I'd have. As if they are too hard to believe in. The moment I ever called them mine, I knew exactly what I was calling. I knew exactly what to say. There will be nothing to get over if I just let it slip away. So I guess I'll try yet another close call from my eyes. Some days I think of what I had then. Some days I want them again. We were happy. What if we've been as good as we get?
Okay.
Okay, close your eyes.
Oh, I like that. That's nice.
Okay, Noah.
Oh, that's nice.
Go back.
Whoa, that's a nice one.
Teddy, I got something for you. Come here.
Oh, Teddy's naked. Wait, Teddy's naked. Teddy, wait, you're naked.
Censored.
Put your shirt down.
I got something for you.
What? Oh, I love that. That is cute.
That's just a color myself.
Oh, this one smells nice. I like that.
That's just a color myself.
This is what I got for myself.
Yeah.
This is what I got for myself.
Oh, nice. Oh, you have a shirt for like every color.
Teddy!
Oh, it's Teddy's. Let me just see Teddy's. See it? Oh my god, how cute.
That was something.
That's cute. Show me one. Okay, ready. Okay.
Close your eyes.
Tignan mo, Ma.
It's a keychain. It's for your notebook.
Sorry. It's too tiny.
Yeah, see, that's
We would absolutely love it if you could turn on your phones and your torches and we're gonna have a massive photo of all of you with all of us to celebrate this amazing occasion. So get those phones out, get your torches on. Gorgeous. Very nice. Oh, it's lovely. So nice. We've got a photographer here. Give him your best smile.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two.
Can you say hi?
Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk.
My turn, mommy.
It's too hot? It's not hot. It's fine. It's warm. He's a baby, hon.
Here, off.
It's busy in there. There's this smiley face.
Your sadness wrapped around a frame, would you see yourself? Someone that you used to be before you was buried in responsibility.
That's house.
I know it's hard to see
That's house.
all the things that you could never be. Stars and embroidered in your name, but never was.
No, I gave it. I gave
How it hurts to know. Used to be stalks you in your dreams and makes bitter what is sweet. You grind your teeth at night, never-ending loop like you're on trial. I know it's hard to see all the things that you could never be. And embroidered in your name, but never was. How it hurts to know. It's hard to see all the things that you could never be. Written in the stars and embroidered in your name, but never was. How it hurts to know.
Is it good?
You're welcome. Is it good?
Is it over now? Tell me who you become. Was it just a trick of light, fading into what we are done? Can we go back to those days when everything felt so right? Or are we just chasing shadows in the middle of the night? Are we just tired of the fight, or just scared to walk away? Caught in between what was love and the ghost of yesterday. Can we go back to those days when everything feels alright? Or are we just chasing shadows in the middle of the night? over now? Can we say goodbye with grace, or do we keep chasing ghosts? Try to fill an empty space. Tell me, where do we stand? On the edge of something we forgot? Or are we just too far gone to remember what we just lost? Can we go back to those days when everything felt so right? Or are we just chasing shadows in the middle of the night? Is it over now? Or can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts? Try to fill an empty space. Is it over now? Or can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts? Fill an empty space. Is it over now? Or can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts? Try to feel, yeah. Is it over now? Can we say goodbye with grace, or do we keep chasing ghosts? Try to fill an empty space. Come on now. Is it over now? Can we say goodbye with grace, or do we keep chasing ghosts? Try to fill an empty space. Over now, can we say goodbye with grace, or do we keep chasing ghosts? Try to fill an empty space. Try to fill an empty space. Is it over now? Can we say goodbye with grace, or do we keep chasing ghosts? Try to fill an empty space. Fill an empty space. Fill an empty space.
Maddie, love Teddy. Alright, Teddy, what did you get me?
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Aw, thanks, guys. Make a wish. Okay, go ahead, Teddy.
Oh God, babe. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Don't go that close.
Oh, what happened?
He was so
too close.
honey.
Did you get burned?
Did you burn your nose?
No.
Okay.
Lucky baby.
Thanks, guys. Oh, I can't wait to try this cake. Careful. Oh no, oh, sharp.
I do not want to eat it.
Ready?
Get Daddy's face. Get Daddy's face.
Ready?
Yeah. Open. Cool.
Still puppy.
Tommy G.
The one, I'm his one true master. Ah, it's a perfect gift. Who's that?
That's Tommy
It's
G.
Daddy's dog. start doing what?
Start taking more videos.
To help cope with our PTSD when we get back.
Yeah.